Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming. Avoid mutation and side effects using functional programming. If you haven't already figured it out, the issue in the previous challenge was with the splice call in the tab close function. Unfortunately, a splice changes the original array it is called on. So the second call to it used a modified array and gave unexpected results. This is a small example of a much larger pattern. You call a function on a variable, array, or an object, and the function changes the variable or something in the object. One of the core principles of functional programming is to not change things. Changes lead to bugs. It's easier to prevent bugs knowing that your function doesn't change anything, including the function arguments or any global variable. The previous example didn't have any complicated operations, but the splice method changed the original array and resulted in a bug. Recall that in functional programming, changing or altering things is called mutation, and the outcome is called side effect. A function ideally should be a pure function, meaning that it does not cause any side effects. Let's try to master this discipline and not alter any variable or object in our code. Task for this challenge: fill in the code for the function incrementer so it returns the value of the global variable fixed value increased by 1. In that case, we will use return fixed value plus 1 inside incrementer function and run the test. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.